Hi guys, this is Covered Peanut and today I am going to be unboxing the giant Airwolf. It's a 4-channel RC helicopter and I bought it from Nitrotech, which is in the UK. So I already took off the tape so that it would be easier. So yeah, so I think okay, so it comes out. Let's just pull it up. Okay, I'm going to open it from the other side as well. Okay, it's quite hard. Okay. By the way, I got this for £90. So yeah, it's in the UK, so we don't need that. Okay. What we do need is this. Okay, I just got out something. So the helicopter is right here. It is actually quite large. But yeah, this is the charger, I think, yeah. This is on the remote control. If there's bad signal, you can stretch it out, so that's for remote control. Yeah. So let me just untie this knot. We'll do it later because I just untied it. Okay, so here it is. I'm just gonna put it back in so that it's safe. Okay. So up next is, let's see, what's this? We will look at the helicopter last of all. So if you don't want to look at this and just the helicopter, you can just look at the helicopter. This is the battery pack. So it says charger for the lithium battery pack. So yeah, I think it's like the batteries, like okay, anyway, so let's unpack, let's see the remote control. Wow, it is massive. Okay, this is so massive. Okay, I can barely even reach it. Okay, so it would be adult size. So yeah. It does like, here it moves to the left or right. I'm keeping it so that it stays in the middle. I think this is like how much battery power it has in it. So yeah, Supermodel Challenge High Speed RC Speedy. So yeah, you just open it by sliding it. So I'm not very good at this. Okay, and then wow, that's a lot of battery. I'm just gonna see how many. You're gonna need 8 batteries. Yeah. So yeah, let me just put that back in. Okay, it's in. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for remote control, except for off and on button. a remote control. Let's put that aside. Let's see. I bet you this is some. Yeah, I think this is something to do with batteries. Yeah, definitely batteries. Yeah, it's got some wires, white wire and black wire. I think it goes into here, I don't know, but me and my dad will figure it out. Last of all, or second to last of all, we're going to see the blades. Oh. I'm just going to get... Okay. So yeah. Yeah, these are the blades. I think you have to put them on. Yeah, so let's... I'm not going to unpack them. I don't want anything to get lost. Anyway, if I won't. So yeah. These are... Yeah, plastic. Comes with a screwdriver to screw it into the helicopter. And yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Except I'm not gonna unpack these are too hard. So let's get the helicopter. I'm just gonna have a second. Let's get this pit. Wow, starter. So yeah. Don't want to break it. Aha. Okay. Oh. Too many of these. My mum's probably going to be angry. It's a mess. Okay, there we go. Oh my days. This is humongous. Oh, man. That's huge. Oh, it's really nice design. It's got missiles underneath. It's got, yeah, design and everything. Nice blades. So yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.